Hey guys, this is Rob out here at ImAlwaysInHotWater.com and BoatsInHotWater.com. And I'm out here today with a 2012 Sea Hunt BX22 Pro. And she is in beautiful condition. What's funny is for what we're asking for the boat, I went online and looked at a few that were listed at about $38,000, either without T-top, no options, not in this kind of condition in the least, or a 150 motor or more hours. So all checks out clean on this particular vessel, and I'm going to give a quick walkthrough. Once again, please remember, I'm not a marine mechanic or a marine surveyor. All the specs and conditions of the sale of this boat are up on the site, and I'm just going to give you a walkthrough to the basic details that are listed above, and just to give you that tire kicking walkthrough. First and foremost, as you guys can see, the trailer is in excellent condition with 4 brand new tires and a spare. And I know the seller, I've sold boats for him before. He is ridiculous and about as OCD as you can get. This boat was just detailed as well on the exterior about 4 or 5 days ago. So I'm just going to kind of walk through and let the video, let me just make sure I'm on the right pan. Nope, yeah, I was there. Try to get out here so we weren't in sunlight. Sunday morning, I got my kids out in the driveway screaming, "Daddy, when are you going to be done?" And you are not missing anything here. This boat is as clean. It's 226 hours. She just had a complete service, including the lower unit and water pump. You guys can see the anodes are brand new. It's only been on the water once or twice since. Here's the power pole, Pro Series. Trim tabs. Everything is working on the boat. She is turnkey ready for the water. All remotes, everything that goes with the boat is available. With the power pole, there's a remote. So you guys can see the tread. Trailer is in excellent shape. I don't have any complaints on the exterior hull. I honestly don't even see any real nick or scratch that I can point out that is anything offensive. This is ridiculous. This is a second owner boat. The first owner only had it for a few hours and decided to jump bigger. So, all right, now I'm going to hop in. Now just give me a minute because the boat was just cleaned up and I do not want to get it dirty. I'm going to just take a quick walk through. Just give me a second. Oop, that was going to be dirty. Hold on. Oh, I guess I already am getting it dirty. God, I can't get my shoe off. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. All right. I'm just going to walk up here. Sorry. Hopefully nobody's on seizure medication because that probably would have just did it for you. I'm just going to kind of walk my way around, drop my towel, and wipe my feet. Okay. Stern of the vessel, as you guys can see. Live well. Stern, seating in the back, and also, as you guys know, we're going to start closing things up as we go along. Live well at the leaning post. You guys want to take a look at the stainless. No pitting. All clean. Clean as a whistle. T-top is in excellent condition. No rips, no tears, no stitching coming apart. For 2012, it's as close as excellent condition as I'm going to see. The Yamaha 6YC link, 226 hours, as you can see. That was actually analog gauges taken out and installed in 2017. Fusion stereo. Trim tab controls. GPS map right there. Your Garmin. Moving forward. You got a little bit of, you get that. You guys can see that right there. That's basically, would be my only complaint. Full set of curtains on that center console as well, going with the boat. Everything's listed and itemized. As you guys can see, personal items as seen, not included. All right, so we're going to close that up. On this take, you guys see how that connects? You got to close center first, and then sides. Otherwise, it's just a tight fit. And let's kind of move up over here. We got the Minn Kota with the remote. Anchor hatch. Ooh, just a pretty boat. 226 hours. Let's take a quick walk. Trying to keep the talking to a minimum. Just clean. Like I said, I've sold boats for this seller, and he is ridiculous. He's probably going to be up here cleaning it after I've been on it. He was out yesterday, and he was already a little upset that it had a little bit of dirt on it. And let's just take a quick look in here. You guys can see wiring. Overall, you are good to go on this boat. I have all the confidence in the world. Hire a marine mechanic and a surveyor if you'd like. Let's just check outside. Here we go. Overall, that will do it. This is kind of a no-brainer for me. So that's going to close it out today. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 2012 Sea Hunt BX22 Pro. Loaded with everything you're going to need for fishing and family fun. Did I miss anything? That'll about do it. Anyway, I Rob out here at ImAlwaysInHotWater.com. Wishing you guys a great and safe boating day. Rob signing off.